So let's take your head back. Certainly we've got a lot of mobility. Let's come from the side. Look, can you see how Madam's head is? It's
I can go back.
more even. Wow.
Gymnast.
This is like a gymnast. Gymnastics, could come here. Let's have you take your head round this way. Oh, wow, that's increasing. This is like an owl. Huh? Owls can turn their head full. Let's have you go this way. Wow, does that feel smoother to you compared to before? How's it feeling to you?
Yeah.
This
Carefully.
Yes.
When I do it, I have to be
Yes.
careful. You see, this stops here.
It stops shorter,
Yeah.
huh? Alright, then let's start with first our arthrosteum. Movement. So what I want us to do is to stand for you this. 1, 2, 3, go. Can I see you do your neck rolls, please? Keep going. Again. Good. Now, I want to see your chin tuck. So I'm going to push. So tuck back. Good. I'm going to push. Good. And relax. Again for me. Good. Relax. Now do it without your hand. Again. Without your hand, yes. Good. I will push. You stop me. Good. Relax for me. Can I see your shoulder rolls, please? Other side. Head back a little more. Keep going. Good. Okay, good. Resist my push. Good. Resist my push. Good. Resist my push. Very good, madam. And relax for it. Resist my push. Good. Have a seat, please. This side. This side. How's it feeling on your skin?
Not too hot.
It's okay? Okay. Lie on your front, please. Turn to your side, facing the door. line your back. Alright. Nice and easy, nice and relaxed. There we go. Feel that. Next. Sit up for me, please. Bring your legs around. Check in. You see that chin back for me? Good. Standing for me. Let me see you tilt that pelvis. Good. Let me see you lift the rib cage. Let me see you lift high. And straight, head straight. Good. Coming along. Alright,
Thank you.
doing well. Yeah. How's things? Everything going good? You
Yes.
keeping up with them?
Yeah.
And the pain level is coming down?
Yes, definitely.
Excellent. How much different would you say it is compared to before?
To the first time,
Yes.
more than half, but it goes and comes back.
Coming and going.
And the funny thing, it goes from one side to another side.
Yes.
That
yeah.
I couldn't understand.
Yes, yeah. Well, we know now. We've seen the X-ray.
Mm.
We've seen the MRI. We've seen
Yeah.
the disc bulge. So it's understandable. The nerves they do pass to both shoulders. So step by step,
Yes.
we'll get it sorted out. You know,
Hopefully.
doing well.
Thank
All right.
you.
Then. All right. Excellent.
Thank you.
Excellent.